Collaboration on Instagram is a powerful feature that allows users to co-create content with other accounts. To start a collaboration on Instagram, navigate to the post you want to collaborate on and tap the Tag People button. From there, select the users you want to collaborate with and add them to the post. Once you have added collaborators to your post, they will receive a notification and have the option to accept or decline the collaboration invitation. If they accept, their username will appear on the post alongside yours, and they will have the ability to edit the post and add their own comments. Collaborations can be initiated on both feed posts and Reels, and they can be used for a variety of purposes, such as joint promotions, product launches, or simply to give credit to other creators who have contributed to your content. When collaborating with other users on Instagram, it is essential to communicate clearly and establish expectations beforehand. This includes discussing the terms of the collaboration, such as what type of content will be posted and how it will be promoted. To get the most out of collaborations on Instagram, consider partnering with users who have a similar target audience or niche. This can help to expand your reach and increase engagement on your posts. Additionally, be sure to track the performance of your collaborations using Instagram Insights, which provides valuable data on post engagement and audience demographics. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use collaborations on Instagram to grow your audience, build relationships with other creators, and create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience.